So you're thinking about using hide glue. Now, it has its advantages and it has its disadvantages. Advantages are that it's a hot glue, so you can stick things and they adhere quite quickly. It's authentic if you're building an old instrument or something. Disadvantages are also many. It's difficult to use, it doesn't smell very nice, and it tends to set quite quickly. So if you're trying to do something like stick the front on a violin, by the time you've got glue all the way around, it's set and it's too late. So you've got to mitigate for that. So let's get into it. So it comes in a little packet like this. It's like little grains. And then what you're going to need is some sort of little glue pot that you can put into some boiling water, or not boiling, some hot water. And then what we do is we mix it with water first in here, and then we heat it up and you should get glue. We'll start off by pouring some of this into the glue pot. You can be fairly generous with it because you can use it again. Now, I'm going to add some water. This is just water, you can just tip it in if you like. And I'm just spraying in some water, or tipping in some water, till it's basically covering the whole of it. So you can see there, I've got water which is pretty much covering everything. Now, you don't want to put too much water in because it'll be too runny when you come to heat it up. So enough water there so it's just kind of covering it, and then we're going to leave that for half an hour to soak in. So it's been half an hour now, and you can see that they've swelled up a lot, so it's probably twice the size that it was earlier on, and they've started to turn that sort of much lighter colour. Some of them are still dark, but at this point don't be tempted to add extra water, because when you heat it up it's going to get runnier. So what I tend to do is heat it up. If it's a bit thick, that's fine, you can add water then and mix it in, rather than adding it now and then, because it's much more difficult to get rid of it. Also, it's starting to smell rather bad, so obviously it's on its way. So this is the setup that I use. So I've got a pan of water and one of these kind of festival burners. Obviously you can use any sort of heat source. I've got a thermometer in the water, one of these with a long tail on it, and then I've got my little pan of glue floating in that water. So the water heats the glue, and then I can keep the water and make sure it stays round about 70 or odd. You don't want it to boil or it will spoil the glue. So then it's just a case of heating it up, the glue will melt, and it's then usable. So we're all ready to go. So here we go then, frying tonight. There, we'll just wait for that to warm up. And as the temperature starts to come up, you can take something like a lollipop stick and have a poke at it. At the moment it feels kind of soft and squodgy, a bit like almost like little sweets, but they aren't little sweets, by the way. But eventually you'll see it start to melt. But we're watching the temperature of the water, and I'm not going to let it go above about 70 degrees or so. So we're up to about 60 degrees on the thermometer, and you can see that it's starting to melt. We're starting to get this gluiness. So we can just give that a bit of a stir to help it along. Okay, got to the red on my thermometer, so I'm going to turn it down. So it's just trying to keep that temperature. I don't want it to go any higher. And you can see the glue is pretty melted. So that's starting to look good. There's still a couple of little lumps in it, so I'll let it cook for a little while. And if it feels like it's too thick, this is the point. You can always add a squirt of extra water if you want to, just till it gets to a nice consistency. So then once it's ready, I'll get me a couple of bits of wood as a demonstrator. Get your glue. Put it on, and then put it together as quickly as you can. Hold it for a little while, and what will happen is the glue will then cool and it'll start to grab. And you can see already it's starting to grab. And you can slow the process down a little bit by getting a hairdryer or something and heating up the pieces of wood before you put them together. It'll give you a little bit more working time. But as such, that is now pretty solid. So it's been a few seconds, it's cooled down, and it's, yeah, difficult to pull apart. Now you can see I've been a bit slapdash, but the stuff that's sticking out is like kind of sticky, kind of soft. So that's now grabbed, but what you need to do is leave it 24 hours and that water will then evaporate out and you'll be left with this will go pretty hard, and it'll be stuck. And there you are. So to summarise, it's nasty, it's stinky, it's difficult to use, but it is quite good if you want to glue something quite quickly, and it does form quite a strong bond. And if you need to get the thing apart again later, all you've got to do is heat it and you'll be able to take it apart. That's why it's used for violins and that kind of thing, so you can take the front off again when you need to repair it. Anyway, there we are, hide glue.